term DAP, delivering to a foreign consignee, is it necessary to provide company name, city, and country, or is city, country sufficient?
I think city and country is sufficient. I don't know that you need to have the name of the company. That's not how the Incoterms are laid out.
Yeah, I just put the, DAP and the city name is pretty specific where it's going to. Maybe read that one more time, Kim.
With the term DAP, delivering to a foreign consignee, is it necessary to provide the company name along with the city and country, or just the city and country is sufficient? And I think we probably need to add the address and zip code or postal code in there too.
Wouldn't hurt, but typically we see on a commercial invoice, DOP, Kansas City, Missouri door. At the end of the day, the company name is already on the commercial invoice, or it should be, because you're billing for the product. I don't think it would hurt, but it's just not something typically we see.